मेंटल हेल्थ बड़ा अजीब सा वर्ड है ना, और बहुत ज्यादा वोग में भी है. बट यू नो व्हाट, men in the mental health are कोसों दूर away from mental health, and that's what we're going to talk about today on the Rangman Show. मैं कौन? Well, Pranay, please do the honors, introduce me यार.
Guys, this is Nishant Chinkwani. He happens to be a very good friend of mine, and he's recently joined the Rangman Show as a co-contributor. He has a wealth of creative experience that he brings to the fore, and I'm just honored to have him, man. And the best part is, he's not charging me a penny.
Yet, you forgot yet.
Yet.
Yeah.
Let's monetize this channel now first.
Absolutely.
And then
Guys, please like, subscribe. Please take us to as many subscribers as possible. Please watch, and we'll make sure that we give you content that is actually useful and that you might actually have fun watching. At least that is going to be our attempt.
यार ये मैं लास्ट में बोलने वाला था पर तुमने पहले ही बोल दिया.
कोई बात नहीं यार, कोई जो लास्ट में बोलते हैं उसको शुरू में भी बोल सकते हैं.
Right. तो यार निशान, तुमने एक बहुत प्यारी बात बोली अभी. यू टॉक्ड अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ, मेन इन मेंटल हेल्थ. तो इस पे हम क्या डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं यार आज, थोड़ा बताओ
यार. फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम आई हैव वंडर्ड कि हम जो मर्द होते हैं ना, हमको बोला जाता है मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता. और फिजिकली जब भी कोई भी चोट लगती है, केस इन पॉइंट दिस, जब ये चोट लगी तो आई श्रग्ड इट ऑफ. यार क्या है, कुछ नहीं हुआ है, कुछ नहीं है.
Viewers, he's just showing us this finger, nothing else.
This finger. So basically जब मुझे ये चोट लगी था ना, मैं क्या है, I shrugged it off and everything and all of that, कि ठीक है चलो एक ड्रेसिंग करवानी है, फिर जाके कुछ करवाना है तो ठीक हो जाएगा. तो मुंह से आ नहीं निकली, एक इंजेक्शन भी पड़ी, मुंह से आ तक नहीं निकलती है. तो मर्द को एक्चुअल में दर्द नहीं होता है वहां पे, यहाँ तो होता है. तो इस दर्द की बात कौन करेगा? ये दर्द तो हमको सोसाइटी बोलते छुपा के रखो. हम ना रो सकते हैं, ना गिड़गिड़ा सकते हैं, ना कुछ कर सकते हैं. अगर हम कुछ करते हैं तो हमको कमजोर माना जाता है. हमको माना जाता है कि यार तुम, यू आर नॉट वर्दी ऑफ अटेंशन. Tell me the last time you actually cried without being prompted to, when your emotions felt like yeah, I want to burst into tears but you couldn't.
यार मैं तो कार में एसी चला के विंडोज ऊपर करके 10 मिनट रो लेता हूँ. उसके बाद जब किसी से भी मिलता हूँ तो देन आई एम इन दैट मैचो मूड दैट एवरीथिंग इज फाइन. और मतलब रोना क्या ही रोना है, बट द फैक्ट ऑफ द मैटर इज दैट इट्स रियली इंपॉर्टेंट टू एक्सप्रेस योरसेल्फ.
एग्जैक्टली.
इनफैक्ट 15 साल मैंने एडवर्टाइजिंग की है और हमेशा अपने आप को ऐसा ही एक्सप्रेस किया है जो क्लाइंट चाहता था. बट अब इट्स टाइम दैट हम अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करें जो हम चाहते हैं.
एग्जैक्टली.
सो दैट्स अ वेरी गुड पॉइंट दैट यू रेज, दैट इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट दैट मतलब दुनिया के सामने यू नीड टू शो हु यू आर. यू जस्ट डोंट नीड टू हैव दैट माचो टफ इमेज. उसका कोई मतलब नहीं है. इट रियली डजंट गेट यू एनीवेयर.
But that's what the world is coming to, no? If you
If
you look at the online discourse of being the alpha male or the sigma male, there are all these things that come, oh, he's such a sigma, oh, he's such an alpha. For the uninitiated, alpha is somebody who has a very strong personality. Sigma is somebody who does not give a flying F, forgive my French. And a beta is basically like a cuck who basically follows. He's a follower, he's a weakling and something like that. But somebody who's in touch with his feelings. My point is everybody has different versions of alpha, beta, sigma. सब कुछ मिला जुला के एक इंसान बनता है. कोई इंसान पूरा अल्फा नहीं होता, कोई इंसान पूरा बीटा नहीं होता, कोई इंसान पूरा सिग्मा नहीं होता. ये सब ढकोसले वाली बात है जो हमें ऊपर मानी जाती है. लेकिन सबसे जरूरी बात ये है कि यार अगर आप कल को अगर आप फील कर रहे हो कि आप एक चीज नहीं कर पा रहे हो या आपसे कुछ हो नहीं रहा है, आपको फिर भी दुनिया को ये दिखा के चलना पड़ता है कि यार मैं कर सकता हूँ. क्यों नहीं कर सकता? यार मैं बंदा हूँ, मैं मर्द हूँ यार, मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता, मैं कर सकता हूँ, मैं ये कर सकता हूँ. लेकिन क्या पता अंदर से ही आपको लगता हो कि मैं शायद नहीं कर रहा हूँ. एंड यही जनरेशन से हमको, इफ यू लुक एट आवर फादर्स, इफ यू लुक एट आवर ग्रैंडफादर्स एंड देयर फादर्स परहैप्स, this weight of being a man is thrust onto us, and it is partially our doing as well, because patriarchy is a very male construct only. हम patriarchy हम women के ऊपर impose करते हैं, subjugate करते हैं कि हाँ हम patriarchal है, हम ही हैं जो है. लेकिन पेट्रियार्की तो हमको भी अफेक्ट करती है यार एक तरह से, कि यार हम ही ब्रेड विनर होने चाहिए, हमको ही सब कुछ करना चाहिए. घर पे कुछ खराब होगा तो हम ही ठीक कर सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ होगा तो हम ही की जगह से, हम घर पे खाना बनाए तो हमको बोला जाता है यार तुम थोड़े वैसे टाइप के मर्द हो और समथिंग लाइक दैट. दो देयर आर शेफ्स हु basically there are people who are chefs who make income, who make their living by being chefs. But the most important part is, if you're not getting paid for it, it is always tied to productivity. Whenever you do a so-called womanly activity, it is kind of tied to some level of productivity. अगर आप शेफ भी बन रहे हो तो आपको कितने पैसे मिल रहे हैं उससे, because end of the day circle comes back to you being the primary breadwinner as a man.
So that's where our society is at fault, na, Nishant, because the point is that it's fine, आपको breadwinner बनना है, that's the thinking, but at that expense, उसको मद्देनजर रखते हुए, when do you start doing something which makes you intrinsically happy? अगर बिकॉज देखने जाओ तो 15 साल I've done advertising and it wasn't like I had pressure that I have to be the bread earner, but I always had this feeling that अब वो एक एज हो गई है जब काम करना शुरू करना पड़ेगा. I'd done a PG in advertising, तो obviously advertising ही करूँगा. But then through the journey, and I'm also a cancer survivor, which you know, which sort of made me realize that what am I doing? मैं क्या उखाड़ रहा हूँ? मैं सिर्फ पैसे के लिए एडवर्टाइजिंग कर रहा हूँ? क्या मैं हर ब्रीफ में एक ढंग की इंसाइट लेके आता हूँ? नहीं लेके आ पाता हूँ. क्या हो रहा है कंज्यूमर को समझ पाता हूँ, बिकॉज एडवर्टाइजिंग स्टार्ट्स विद द कंज्यूमर एंड विद द कंज्यूमर. कंज्यूमर को क्या चाहिए वो समझो, और उसके बाद जो उसको दे रहे हो दैट शुड बी जो उसको चाहिए.
Yeah.
तो उसमें कितना जस्टिस कर पा रहा हूँ वर्सेस मैं और क्या क्या कर सकता हूँ विच मेक्स मी हैप्पी. दैट्स व्हाई आई टुक दैट shift to sports writing and then to podcasting, on which you've joined me now on this beautiful journey. So it's not so much about, at least I can speak from my perspective, that as you said, the good F word, which means the French Renaissance, so to speak, and not the other F word, but I mean, F cares. The fact of the matter is that it's time that हम खुद के लिए कुछ करें, because at the end of the day you have to be selfish in life, and selfish necessarily is not a bad word. It's not a wrong thing, because जितना आप खुद के लिए कुछ करोगे उतना आप अंदर से you'll feel one with yourself, and that becomes very important. I don't know कितना मैं how much
No,
have
I
I tried
agree.
to like
I agree.
sort of
Also very
break this down.
absolutely very important point when you said that that whole thing of self care. I think selfishness से भी ज़्यादा selfishness is
self-love
self
actually.
love. Yeah, selfishness is ज़्यादा self
हाँ,
love is
मतलब
that what you were.
self-involved, self-love.
Yeah, so you basically get in touch with us. So my perspective on this particular thing is that यार आप फिजिकल हेल्थ के ऊपर ख्याल रखते हो, आप जिम जाते हो, आप ये करते हो, आप मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए क्या करते हो? आप मेंटली सिक नहीं हो.
Let me just bargain there. आप
हाँ.
फिजिकल हेल्थ के लिए भी अपने खुद के लिए ख्याल रखते हो या दुनिया में कूल रखने के लिए ख्याल रखते हो?
That's also another
बिकॉज
perspective.
वो एक बहुत अलग अलग नजरिया है देखने का.
That's also
two
very
very
true.
two different perspectives. Like I know so many people who want to look all cool and all. That's why they go to the gym, because it's a very simple thing. If you are doing the best exercises in the world to be one with yourself, so that you are at peace with yourself, then why do you have to make Insta reels of that and show it to the world that I'm exercising?
Well, I'm guilty of that. I do it as an accountability metric. But I get where you're coming from. I think, honestly, for me, is whether you're doing it to show it to the world or whether you're doing it for yourself or whether you're doing it for your inner self, सब कुछ ठीक है as long as the end result is fine according to me. Because one thing is what I've realized is
No, so that's the question now. Okay, what is your end result? Is your end result being one with yourself or public pleasing? Because मेरा ये मानना है, and maybe you might have another perspective to it, that if you're doing something which you want to believe that it's for yourself, but deep down, and you not knowing or not perhaps being able to come to terms with it, it's to impress the world, then you're not really doing justice to yourself.
yes and no. I'll tell you why no. Is because you might start something for a particular reason, but then you start enjoying it so much that yourself kind of, then you stop doing it for the world. But here's what you said is very important because that opens another avenue for me to speak. ये जो मेंटल हेल्थ की जो बात करते हैं हम, मेंटल हेल्थ की बात क्यों होती है? मेंटली आप हेल्दी कब होते हो? When you are at one with yourself, when you can be in the moment, like we are trying to be
When
right
you're
now.
not suffering from anxiety.
When you're not suffering from anxiety
Because-
or depression
Yeah.
or anger or rage, where you can accept yourself for who you are at that moment.
If I may, anger or rage, those are like very circumstantial. But anxiety is something that perhaps we live with 24/7. Because हमें पता नहीं चलता है, but हमारे अंदर anxiety होती रहती है. Like yesterday, I was getting one checkup done, and the doctor tells me that, why are you so anxious? And I'm like, लेकिन आप तो मेरी sonography कर रहे हो, आपको कैसे पता चला? Like your body parts like इतनी ज़्यादा वो ऊपर नीचे हो रहे हैं कि पता चल जाता है. So it's like we're constantly living with that anxiety, and perhaps that also adds to our mental health. जिसमें जब तक हम खुद के लिए कुछ ना करें, this will continue. आप दुनिया को जितना भी impress करना है कर लो, वहाँ से you can seek a lot of validation also. But does that really reduce your anxiety? I don't think so. At least from a personal
I
point of view.
mean, perhaps for some people at the end of it is a band-aid. It is not what you said. It is not like a complete cure. It is basically just slapping on a band-aid. एक पानी बह रहा है, एक पाइप से उससे निकल रहा है, आप बैंडेड लगा दिया आपने उसके ऊपर, वो मीम निकला है ना, तो आप बैंडेड
तो
लगा
उसका
देते हो
डायग्नोसिस नहीं निकाल रहा है ना.
क्योंकि डायग्नोसिस उसका
हाँ.
निकालना उस वहीं पे मैं आ रहा हूँ, बिकॉज हम क्या करते हैं ना, हम मेंटली हेल्दी रहने के लिए हम मेंटली हेल्दी रहने के लिए हम ना सिम्टम्स को एड्रेस करते हैं, हम कभी उसके डायग्नोसिस को नहीं एड्रेस करते,
जड़ तक नहीं जाता.
जड़ तक हम नहीं जाते. एंड इसीलिए इफ यू नोटिस अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, especially a lot of men get into say coffee or fitness because they need to carve out that time for themselves कि वो ना अपने मेंटल हेल्थ करने को बेटर रखने के लिए या अपने मेंटली अपने आप को सेन रखने के लिए कोई कॉफी में घुसता है, कोई साइकिलिंग करता है, कोई जिम जाता है, कोई डिफरेंट डिफरेंट अपनी हॉबीज करता है. And you know how perhaps you can tell that it is merely like addressing the symptoms and not the actual point. If say for example I'm a runner and I run 7 days a week for example or 6
आपको
days.
देख के भी लगता है कि आप रनर हो.
Haha, thank you so much. I will have you know I completed 10 kilometers at the Mumbai Marathon recently. Huh?
You send me a picture of that.
Yes, I did. And I put it up on Insta because I do that. But anyway, where I was getting was that 6 days a week या 5 days a week आप run कर रहे हो. Imagine a scenario. Imagine one day where you're not allowed to do that for whatever reason, for work or something. बंदा वहीं चिड़चिड़ा हो जाता है, वहीं irritated हो जाता है, वहीं annoyed हो जाता है, and they can even lose their shit. What that means is that आपने ना अपनी जो एंजाइटी वाली हैबिट या डिप्रेशन वाली हैबिट है उसको खाली इससे चेंज किया है. You've just added that layer of working out there. You've not, while that has helped obviously, because when you work out your body releases a lot of dopamine, a lot of oxytocin and all of those good hormones that allows you to calm down and everything. But then your body becomes so dependent on that the day you're not able to do that, you automatically feel like hey, there's something very precious.
Yeah.
Because something very precious has been taken away from you. And that happens when you have just slapped on, when you've just taken medicine to address the symptoms but not the disease to the core. And what you also said, एक तरह से वो जो आप पहले बोल रहे थे कि अपने खुशी के लिए क्या करना है, क्या कर सकता है आदमी. At this point of time, if you look at it for Maslow's needs of hierarchy of needs जो हम बोलते हैं जिसको, तो अब लेवल 3 तक तो हम मोर और लेस आ गए हैं कि हमको रोटी कपड़ा मकान मिल गया है, हमको वो एडवांसमेंट मिल गई है थोड़ी बहुत करियर में, थैंकफुली ये सब हो गया है. बट अभी व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ योर लाइफ, हाउ डू यू वांट टू लिव इट, हाउ डू यू सर्च फॉर दैट हैप्पीनेस एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. हम ना यहाँ थोड़े फंस गए हैं, और हम जब यहाँ थोड़े फंसे रहते हैं ना तब हमको एग्जैक्टली पता नहीं चलता, विच इज वाई वी कीप ट्राइंग डिफरेंट थिंग्स. कोई कॉफी में जाता है लाइक आई सेड, कोई रनिंग में जाता है एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो हियर इज वेयर व्हाट यू सेड राइटली सेड, वो स्लैपिंग ऑन टू दैट सिम्टम्स, और दुनिया को दिखाने के लिए कर रहे हो या खुद के लिए कर रहे हो, आप एंड में तो सिम्टम पे ही स्लैप ऑन कर रहे हो ना. यू नॉट गॉटन टू द बॉटम ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम.
No, you're right. Nishant, the point is that as you were saying, the Maslow's hierarchy of needs, I think बहुत लोग तो बेसिक्स में ही अटके हुए हैं. आई थिंक 80% ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन बेसिक में ही अटके है. वो रोटी कपड़ा मकान के लिए ही फाइट चल रही है.
That's very true.
उसके ऊपर उन्होंने सोचा ही नहीं है. और some people like us possibly are a little more blessed because our parents gave us that kind of lifestyle, that kind of
Absolutely.
what should I say, a base, a canvas on which we could thrive. So that's why we've realized that रोटी कपड़ा मकान है, एक करियर हम perhaps बना रहे हैं. मतलब मैं 15 साल एडवर्टाइजिंग कर लिया, वीपी तक पहुंचना चाहता था, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. जब पहुंचा उसके 3 महीने के बाद नौकरी छोड़ दी. Because I was happy that that's the maqam that I wanted to reach. And now I want to perhaps do something which makes me more happy, which is writing and podcasting. So मेरा ये मानना है कि वहाँ पे if we start carving a niche for ourselves there ना, तो हमारा कितना actual talent है वो अपने को समझ में आएगा. And that is the stepping stone to self actualization. Because
I have another perspective to this. आप खत्म करो फिर मैं बोलूंगा.
when you know that wow, I'm capable of so many things, that's when you start realizing that, dude, these things make me happy, and it's not for the world that I'm doing something. I'm doing that for myself, and that's how I'm evolving to possibly the narrowest part of the pyramid, which is the Maslow's hierarchy of needs.
Absolutely. आपने एक चीज नोटिस करी, आपने जब ये बोला our mental health is always linked to productivity, of how we think, how productive we are. We never say that we are doing this just for the week, because we are also doing this to get likes and shares and views and everything. Let's be honest. We like doing this, but we are also doing it for a productivity sort of an angle. What if the angle of productivity was not there? Would you still do what you love doing? Would you still sort of do that? That is the level, at
No,
least that is where a
so-
level where I think we should aspire to reach, to be
No,
very honest.
100% agreed. But when you're saying that the level of productivity that we get into, or usme obviously you want some external validation because you're trying to work towards something. What's important is to keep a sort of a split between what makes you happy, what are you supposed to get out of whatever you're doing, which perhaps you think is productive,
Hmm.
and as a result, what is the difference you're making in society. Because with the Rangman show, when I started with the Rangman show, since I'm a cancer survivor, my basic objective was that I want to celebrate people who, if they have the will to succeed, failing can never be an option. That's the mantra. That's the line that I live by, and those are the kind of people I want to get because वो खुद के लिए कुछ कर रहे हैं and as a result by default वो society में difference make कर रहे हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो society में difference make करने के लिए खुद के लिए कुछ कर रहे हैं.
Fair enough.
It needs to be an inside out thing, not an outside in thing. और
enough.
उससे अगर बाहर इतना सक्सेस आपको शायद नहीं भी मिलता है बट आपको लगता है कि आपने खुद के लिए 100% एफर्ट डाला है सो यू वोंट फील सो सॉरी फॉर योरसेल्फ सो दैट बिकम्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट
Fair enough.
and if one gets this right maybe to an extent they're mastering mental health और वहाँ पे men and mental health की भी conversation आती है because we are like sort of thrusted with the fact that आप पैदा हुए हो आपकी हमने पढ़ाई करवा दी है अब 20-25 साल की उम्र में आपने नौकरी पा ली है अब आपको शादी करनी है शादी के बाद आपको बच्चे पैदा करने हैं रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेनी है उनको पढ़ाना है 50-55 तक उनको सेटल करना है फिर आप रिटायर हो जाओ उसके बाद अगर जो भी आपकी क्या बोलते हैं उसको इंक्रीमेंटल लाइफ बाकी है उसमें आप एंजॉय कर लो
Exactly.
and that's the pressure which sort of bogs people down and that is what I think men need to start talking about in terms of expressing कि वो अपने साथ क्या करना चाहते हैं
Exactly.
versus society उनके साथ क्या करना चाहती है
Exactly. No, I completely agree. Also, very nice point about the validation metric of it. There is one thing called inner validation, there's something called external validation. Now, external validation for doing what you really like doing, if you get a little bit of that, you will do wonders. You rightly said that. लेकिन क्या होता है ना अगर आप हल्का सा, for example, if I were to start knitting a sweater or something like that as a man, today at this point of time, I may get some support from some quarters. I'm not going to say that the society is completely rotten to the core like that. But there are going to be large sections of the society who are going to tell, अबे तू गधा है क्या, तू लड़की है क्या, तू ये करता है, तू लड़की है क्या, एक इंसल्ट हो जाती है कि तू लड़की है क्या. तो वैसे करके ना, because we've already as men, we've already have an advantage over women in terms of the society that we have structured. Now इस structural society, ये society तो हमने ऐसे structure कर दी, लेकिन इसमें हम ना अपने को अपना हमने स्टैंडर्ड ऐसा एक स्टूपिड सा स्टैंडर्ड बना दिया है अपना एक स्टूपिड सा एक होमोजेनस स्टैंडर्ड बना दिया है एक तरीके का स्टैंडर्ड बना दिया है कि हम यार हमको उसी लाइन पे चलना है हमको जैसे तुमने कहा जैसे हमको बच्चे तक पढ़ाई करनी है नौकरी करनी है काम करना है शादी करनी है बच्चे करने हैं फिर लास्ट में 5 साल अगर जिंदगी बची तो हमको जो करना है करना है लेकिन कल को किसी को वो नहीं करना है किसी को थोड़ा डिफरेंट चीज में जाना है किसी को नौकरी नहीं करनी है किसी को दूसरा कुछ करना है आई थिंक वी शुड हैव एज अ सोसाइटी वी शुड हैव स्पेस फॉर दैट एंड वंस यू ओपन अप द स्पेस फॉर दिस मेंटल हेल्थ कॉन्वर्सेशन फॉर मेन नो society as a whole will benefit because women will also benefit because then where women are kind of said that no your role is as you'll always have to be secondary to men can then like let women go in the front and let women is a very wrong word but when women can go in front and we can be behind in certain things and it should be absolutely okay because that's how the society should work in a tandem it should be very fluid it should not be like rigid जो society rigid हो जाती है ना वो society extinct हो जाती है क्योंकि कल को क्योंकि ये ना दुनिया बदलते रहती है समय बदलते रहता है कल को ऐसा एक समय आ गया जहां पे आपको यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ सर्टेन थिंग्स से फॉर एग्जांपल एपोकलिप्स कम्स इट्स वेरी वियर्ड एग्जांपल एन एपोकलिप्स कम्स एंड नोबडी a lot of us don't know how to light the lighter in a stove or basically even start a fire or cook something or add certain things to make a particular meal how will we survive how the hell are we supposed to survive if we don't have those basic survival skills एंड टू अ सर्टेन डिग्री आई थिंक ये सब चीजें भी ना मैटर करती है कि अगर आपको बचपन में छोटी छोटी चीजें सिखाई जाती है men who have been taught how to cook how to take care of themselves how to clean up after themselves they have on an average, a slightly better world view, a slightly more confident, quietly confident world view. उसमें brash confidence नहीं होता, उनको खुद में एक confidence
I
रहता है कि यार
think the word is evolved.
हाँ, the world is evolving. I don't think has
No,
evolved
I'm
is
saying the word, when you're saying confident, ना,
हाँ.
मेरे ख्याल से it's the word is evolved.
हाँ, it does not mean brashness. It just means it can also mean quiet confidence कि I'm okay doing what I'm doing and absolutely perfect. मेरे को यहाँ पे एक डिक मेजरिंग कॉन्टेस्ट पे नहीं जानी है कि ये इतने पैसे कमा रहा है या इसने इतने कमा लिए या इसने इतना बड़ा काम कर लिया और मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाया, ये स्कूल का टॉपर था, देखिए आज लल्लू यहाँ बैठा हुआ है. ये सब जो चीजें है ना, ये बंदों में बहुत ज्यादा होती है. बंदियों में भी होता है लेकिन थोड़ा कम होता है.
You know, it's interesting you bring that up. I
Hmm.
think आदमी पैदा तो होता नहीं है वो वाइब के साथ कि मेरे को किसी के साथ compete करना है.
एग्जैक्टली.
A person, आदमी औरत जो भी है. But I think somewhere the parents per se, they also have to be blamed because वो लोग खुद के successes अपने बच्चों के उसमें से report कार्ड से sort of measure करने की कोशिश करते हैं because for them also it becomes something to boast about in their social circle that my kid has say got an A plus or my kid has got whatever he's come first in football or whatever sport or whatever academics that they're pursuing, so that they can also have a certain sort of stature in society, and
Hmm.
that perhaps puts a lot of pressure on the kids who, if had an iota of an inclination towards doing something which makes them happy, would perhaps wilt under that pressure and would end up doing whatever their parents want them to do, and then realize that I've just lived my life like a slave.
I
So,
remember an example that you told me. We're not going to name that example, but I remember the example that you told me about a
Yeah.
particular person.
Exactly. And you know, cliches be damned, but when you're talking about that, it's okay for a man also to be a homemaker. I just remember that Anne Hathaway movie, The Intern, जहाँ पे Anne Hathaway was the person who was like
Breadwinner, yeah.
conquering the world
Yeah.
with whatever she was doing. I think that
She
above
was,
the fit,
yeah.
that was a company,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
her husband was managing the kid, looking after the house, and he seemed pretty happy to do it. It's not like he was any less capable. There was one of the scenes in the movies which said that he was smarter than she was academically, but he gave up his job so that she could like possibly ascend to wherever she wanted to.
Yeah.
So, वो एक that's a choice, and again the word is evolution, to be evolved enough to make that choice. Like I in my life have decided not to get married, not to have those family responsibilities because it's a choice that I want to perhaps look into what makes me happy. The world can call me selfish, but I'm trying to give myself, as you rightly said, self love. इसके लिए मैं थोड़ा लिख लेता हूँ, थोड़ा आपके साथ पॉडकास्टिंग कर लेता हूँ, थोड़ा कुछ और कर लेता हूँ, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे एक खुशी मिलती है. ऐसा नहीं है कि एग्जाइटी बहुत कम हो जाती है, एग्जाइटी तब भी होती है, बट उस एग्जाइटी को नेगेट करने के लिए खुद तो कुछ तो कर रहा हूँ.
बट ये आप
जैसे
खुद के
शायद
लिए
कुछ,
कर रहे हो.
हाँ खुद के लिए कर रहा हूँ.
अब
Because-
वीपी एडवर्टाइजिंग अभी नहीं हो क्योंकि आपको पता है कि वहां आप खुद के लिए नहीं कर पाते, वो उस प्रेशर में आप खत्म हो जाते हैं शायद. खत्म नहीं होते मतलब व्हाटएवर आप.
आई वांटेड अ टीम आल्सो जो आज तक मिली नहीं.
चलो, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट कॉन्वर्सेशन फॉर अ डिफरेंट डे.
Yeah. And if the world thinks I'm selfish, I really don't give a damn.
Fair enough. um, it's, I don't think like I said, selfish is not the right word. I think it's
Self-love.
self-love in a way. And
Yeah.
also I think, Brian, you also give back to the community. I've seen you go for drives and everything on your birthday, on Diwali and everything. You go and do that. So that also sort of staying away from a high pressure thing also allows you to express yourself and whatever little philanthropy you want to do, जो आप करते हो बड़े दिल से करते हो, which is a very good thing, but you still
I mean,
can
I
do that.
try doing that.
Exactly.
Yeah, जितना भी कर पाऊँ.
एग्जैक्टली जितना आप कर पाते हो उतनी आप कोशिश करते हो, तब आपका दिमाग भी उधर रहता है कि हाँ मेरे को सोसाइटी के लिए भी कुछ करना है, मेरे को, बिकॉज दैट इज यू एज हु यू आर एज अ पर्सन. What I've seen is when you get into a very high pressure sort of a job, or where you basically try to, like, go by the expectations of the society and आप सबसे बना के चलने की कोशिश करते हो, सब कुछ करने की कोशिश करते हो, the pressure of it becomes so much, no, that you're bound to explode and expand. And this, and I'm sorry, I'm going to say something controversial.
Sorry, just barging in between. प्रेशर कुकर भी ज्यादा सीटियां मार देता है, लेकिन मैं नहीं मार पाता.
I understand. Isn't that the truth? So I'm going to say something very controversial, but you know, men who beat up their wives, they do it because they don't have an outlet for their frustration.
Yeah.
I'm not condoning that in any way whatsoever. It is absolutely horrifically wrong.
It's a
Domestic
big
violence
no-no.
is wrong.
Yeah.
It's absolutely wrong. But we're not talking about the symptoms, we're talking about the cause of it. The cause happens because men themselves they put themselves under so much pressure कि मेरे को ऐसा ही करना है, मेरी टीम को जीतना है, मेरे को लाइफ में ऐसे ही करना
They're
है.
brought up in a monogonistic society, ना?
मोनोगनिस्ट है,
Yeah, one
एक
needs to
पेट्रियार्कल
understand
सोसाइटी
that.
है कि
Yeah.
तुम ही हो, तुम ही
Yeah.
चलाओगे, तुम
Yeah.
ही राइट हो, you are the pressure to take
Yeah.
all the right decisions and everything, and that gets up and you have no outlet and you then up हाथ चला देते हो या कुछ कह देते हो या कुछ कर देते हो. No way condoning this, but this is the problem. This is why domestic violence happens. This is the primary reason as a man, where you feel threatened, you feel questioned, you feel your self-worth gets negated. And who's responsible for that? To a large degree, us itself. हमने ही ये बीज बोए हैं, हम ही इसका फल करते हैं. तो इसका भी आंसर हमारे पास है that हम ही इस सोसाइटी को थोड़ा ऐसा बनाएं कि यार हम जहां अलाउ कर सकते हैं खुद को to breathe a little, to let others take the lead for some time, to let ourselves off the hook, for us not to take so much pressure, to take pressure off other people in certain things that we like doing. If we like doing some household work, let's do some household work. If we like taking care of the kids in some way or the other, let's do that. If we like doing any community service, let's do that. And let's sometimes maybe our career can take the back seat if we truly believe in that, or maybe just like we can relax. We just don't need to be careeristic at all times. For example, that L&T chairman had said, how long will you stare at your wife? 90 hours you can work.
वो हमारी मर्जी है यार.
That is the whole point.
And the point is that if he wants to say that 90 hours a week you need to work, then pay people that much. ना वो तो वो करेंगे नहीं.
वो तो that is another, again, like I said, that's a
Exactly.
separate conversation.
So
but the idea
yeah.
there is basically कि आप बोल रहे हो कि you will stare at your wife, but like you rightly said, you can do whatever you want to. You should be able to do whatever you want to, obviously within the strictures of a particular society. Society ऐसा नहीं कि सारे rules खराब है. Obviously आपको थोड़े रूल्स ट्वीक करने पड़ेंगे, अपने हिसाब से थोड़ा जीना पड़ेगा और सोसाइटी के हिसाब से भी थोड़ा जीना पड़ेगा, so that all of us can live in a nice sort of way. But the expectation, the pressure of expectations, the non-validation. Also, one more thing, men don't get validated enough, is what I've seen. Women, you see any Instagram section of a woman, you'll see yes, queen, this, that, all of that. Men की जो validation होती है ना, बड़ी अलग से होती है. और while, for example, if
Perhaps that's your dick measuring contest.
yeah exactly, कोई अगर कुछ ज्यादा कर देता है तो कोई किसी को बोलता है अरे ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है, तो मतलब हाँ तूने ऐसे किया है. So everybody tries to pull, like men I've seen on general, they will sort of do this competition thing and they will take it too far. It should not go as far. We take it too far to a degree. मतलब हम कभी एक दूसरे को बोलते नहीं अरे यार तूने बहुत अच्छा किया, ये किया यार, ये बहुत मस्त है. कुछ लोग करते हैं. But overall, I see women being more supportive of each other. That's also because women are kind of sort of put down as well, so they need to sort of stick together more. And us men, we walk around, हम ऐसे man spread करके बैठे रहते हैं, हम ये करके रहते हैं. तो यार हमको भी थोड़ी consideration इन सब चीजों में करनी चाहिए. हमको भी थोड़ा सोचना चाहिए कि हम कहाँ गलत जा रहे हैं, हम कैसे इसको better कर सकते हैं. For our own sake, not to make. Obviously, we should think about making the lives of other people better as well. But for our own sake, we should also see that, yeah, this is not working for me. Then why am I taking so much? Why am I doing so much magajmari, or why am I taking so much pressure? What is the end result of it? जाना तो सबको उसी लिबास में लिपट के वो आग के अंदर है या जमीन के अंदर है ना. जाना तो वैसे ही है. तो इतना प्रेशर क्या, एक ही जिंदगी, उसको अच्छे से जियो. But this is where help each other, validate each other, be together with each other, push each other to do better, become better men. Take care of the people. If you are strong, then take care of the people in your surroundings in a way, so who are seeking your protection. If you're not as strong, it is absolutely okay to be connected to somebody who's stronger and can take care of you, and have the courage to admit that हाँ ठीक है यार, मैं उतना strong नहीं हूँ इस particular चीज में, मेरे से नहीं होता. For example, if I'm not good at arranging certain things, I'm horrible at managing my time. If I have somebody who's helping me manage my time, I should acknowledge that, हाँ, thank you, yaar, you are helping me manage my time in a much better way. I'm looking at you. Thank you. I'm horrible at managing my time.
You know, actually, that's a good thing that you've said. Not me managing your time, but the way society needs to help each other. But you know, Nishant, when you're talking about this whole thing of domestic violence, I just had a thought in my head that what if the roles are reversed there? Obviously, it's a big no-no. But say if the wife beats the husband, and if he wants to speak about it, say to his friends or to like other men, perhaps who he would be working with or who he sort of feels that he can open up to, वो पहली चीज उसको बोलेंगे कि भाई मर्द बन, ये क्या कर रहा है तू?
Exactly.
और मतलब तो वो आदमी करे तो क्या करे?
Exactly.
तो ईदर और वो सही बात नहीं है,
बिल्कुल 100%.
बिकॉज शायद वाइफ की भी कुछ फ्रस्ट्रेशन हो सकती है या perhaps she feels that husband इतना कमा नहीं रहा है जितना उसको lavish lifestyle चाहिए, तो इसके लिए she must be removing her frustrations on him.
So
So
in that case as well, if you see who's putting, so while the wife may be wrong in that situation, wife is wrong in that situation, but you see that when that man is going to seek recourse, other men are only pulling him down.
yeah, exactly. So that's what I had this thought when you were saying that men should perhaps start helping other men in terms of upliftment for all.
Yeah.
But वो कभी होने नहीं वाला है.
And you know what is
You know,
the
things like अगर when I started getting into therapy, you advised me to get there.
Yes.
And I have no qualms in admitting to our viewers that
we
take
both
therapy.
we both go for therapy, and I think it has
So
helped me
I
become a
phoned
better
you
person.
one day and I told you that yeah, Nishan, तू किसके पास जाता है? How is that person? And you told me that the person is good. She'll sit you down. She'll make you understand things, and she'll give you a perspective in life. And cut to maybe a week later, I was doing therapy,
Yeah,
and you were pretty proud that
I am.
immediately took that leap.
I
and
am.
got into it.
And I'm
I
very
think-
thankful that you shared that with me, that hey, I'm not able to deal with this, what can I do? So there are things at your disposal, there are tools at our disposal. It is not, men's mental health and men's rights should not only be in context of women's rights. Women rights अपनी जगह पे है, men's rights अपनी जगह पे. हमारे
men के लिए कोई rights होने चाहिए पहली बात, उस पे discussion होनी चाहिए.
but है हमारे rights, that's the whole point. All we have to do is we have to come together and
We need
decide.
to be cognizant about what they are.
Yeah, exactly. You have to understand if you are undergoing some sort of physical, mental thing that you're not able to take care of it. There are resources, there are support groups that will help you do that. And these are not just like, while there are incidents of women oppressing men, let's be very honest. And this is my perspective. Like, people can hate me for this. The instances of men oppressing women are far too many. Like, they completely, like, that the society is so patriarchal even at this point of time that men oppressing women is a given thing, and there are very few isolated cases of women oppressing men. Okay? While I'm saying they should also be taken seriously, but agar aap larger picture ko dekho, so it is men who are at the top. But because of men being at the top and setting themselves such false expectations and such false, like a false sense of reality and superiority that we have kind of put ourselves into, हम ना उसको मेंटेन करने में हम जितनी एनर्जी एक्सपेंड करते हैं ना, उसमें हमारी मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ जो है वो फॉर्टिट्यूड हमारा खत्म हो जाता है. Whereas we can actually put that energy into becoming happier, better versions, better humans on our own accord, and actually, like, जो 70-80 साल की जिंदगी होती है उसको मस्ती से एंजॉय कर सकते हैं, तो मजे कर सकते हैं. We can do things that truly make us happy. क्योंकि एंड में आदमी जो होता है ना, वो खाने का भूखा होता है और डोपामिन का भूखा होता है. तो डोपामिन तो आपको हमेशा खाली you can't get it by imposing on other people, right? Sure, there are some psychopaths who will be like, yeah, like, all I want to do is oppress people. Sure, there is going to be sections in men, sections in women, all of that. But largely, what all of us want to do is we are in pursuit of happiness, right? We are searching for that little glimmer of happiness wherever we can find. वो कस्तूरी जो है हम वो ढूंढते रहते हैं. वो हैप्पीनेस तो खुद के अंदर है ना यार. वो कबीरदास भी बोल के गए कि जो डियर होता है वो अपने नाभि का जो स्मेल होता है वो ढूंढते रहता है पूरे वन में, लेकिन होती तो उसके अंदर ही है ना. तो हमारी खुशी भी हमारे अंदर ही है, लेकिन वो हमको इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करके सोचना पड़ेगा, हमको समझना पड़ेगा खुद को कि हमको जिंदगी से क्या चाहिए और हमको उस हिसाब से इसको आगे बढ़ना. एंड एक और बात मैं बोलूं, सॉरी थोड़ा सा सेगवे ले रहा हूं मैं यहाँ पे. The biggest killer of men as of this point of time is loneliness. The male loneliness epidemic is insane. Women have support groups. They have created groups for each other. We don't talk about our feelings at all. We don't express our feelings. अगर कोई बंदा, एक दो बंदे अगर हाथ पकड़ के चल रहे हैं, even if they are not gay, they are straight, we make fun that they are gay. That basically means that हमारा जो skin to skin जो वो एक ये होता है, वो भी हमारा नहीं होता.
Not gay, then very effeminate.
yeah, but they are insulted. या तो ये होता है, या तो एक ऐसा चीज होती है कि जहाँ पे men are not expressing themselves enough, तो उनको पता नहीं है, कल को कुछ हो जाता है. Suppose करो, if my wife leaves me or something like that, you ask me what happened, I'll be like, yeah man, divorce is such a fuck all thing. Sorry, I'm not getting divorced. Just saying. but I'm just saying, like or whenever I had a breakup, I was like, yeah man, छूट गई यार, बहुत बड़ी डायन थी, all of that. ऐसे बोल के मैं ये कर देता हूँ. But मैंने अपने कभी खुद का दिल की बात express नहीं करी. अब जब मैं, and what did I turn to? I turned to alcohol. I turned to other things. So, which is absolutely detrimental because I had no outlet of doing that. I had no outlet of saying anything. I had no outlet to express myself. So, where do we go from here? We have to then look inwards instead of finding answers outwards. Find out हम में क्या कमियां हैं या हमको क्या अच्छा लगता है, हम में क्या अच्छाई है, हम में क्या कमियां हैं. Build a support group of us where we can support each other doing good things. Live in tandem with women. Ensure that they are also taken care of, so they also support us and we also support them, and have a very ideal, you can call it an idealistic society, but a society where both of us live in tandem, where both men, women live in tandem together. And then in the 80 years that we have in our lives, have the best time of our lives, man. Just enjoy it as much as possible, because what else is there in life?
But Nishant, iske liye na, the base is that one needs to understand, at least men do, that they need help.
Yeah. As of now, yes. Because most men we know need help.
Because हमारा ego इतना ज़्यादा होता है कि हम वो बात को मानने के लिए ready नहीं है. अगर, और हम deep down जानते हैं कि we are feeling at things which necessarily we shouldn't be. Or maybe we can also, but कहीं ना कहीं we are not becoming those kind of people that we aspire to be, and कहीं ना कहीं we are less than who we should be. तो इसके लिए वो एक understanding, वो एक realization, एक eureka moment आना चाहिए कि it's okay to seek help.
Yeah, agree, 100%.
Fight वहाँ पे ही खत्म हो जाती है.
Absolutely, because the first step is to accept.
And as you said, that women, they have no qualms in admitting to the fact that they need help, and perhaps that's why they have those support groups.
Exactly.
तो पहले तो we need to accept that we need help.
Absolutely.
और हम ये जो एक false sense of perfection में रहते हैं, that perception that we are perfect, वो नहीं है. To be imperfect, but to work towards something is also an art to perfect.
100%.
So
you have to admit, you have to start your journey. Exactly. You have to start your journey. You have to be like, yeah, ये मेरा first step है. Of course you will screw up. Of course you will have 500. It may not be the right answer, but you have to start somewhere and admit and say that, okay, something is going wrong. How do I make it better? How do I live my life in a better way? How do I make sure that my life is not in vain? Or how do I make sure that whatever life I'm living, I can get the maximum out of it? How do I make sure that people around me are also living their best lives? How do I do that? I can only do that if I can take care of myself in the best possible way. And taking care of your mental health, while we take care of our physical health in whichever way is possible, but taking care of your mental health is also very important. And taking care of your mental health will ensure that you can take care of other people as well. You will be in that headspace. हम क्या complain करते हैं यार, मैं headspace में नहीं हूँ. आधा तो मेरा complain ऐसा रहता है यार, I am not in the headspace to have this discussion. वो
थोड़े बार convenient भी होता है.
It is a convenient thing to go to. True, I agree.
There are a lot of conversations that we don't want to be privy to, because perhaps they will come back to bite us only. तो उसमें हम एक बहुत convenient excuse दे देते हैं.
Or maybe we are afraid of those conversations.
Yeah, कि we are not in the headspace.
Maybe we are not. We don't have the courage to deal with those conversations.
Be in the headspace to seek help.
Absolutely.
बाद में everything will fall into place.
Absolutely.
And it's okay, guys. It's okay to seek help.
I agree.
लो help लो. निशांत और मैंने भी help ली है. And we are trying to sort of become better versions of ourselves. Or please, it's okay to seek help.
And it's okay to talk about it as well. It's okay to talk about your feelings. There is nothing wrong as a man to talk about your feelings, in terms of if you're feeling sad, or if you're feeling happy, if you're feeling elated. Do not think just to become the cool guy or become this guy in control that I can't express.
Cool macho thing तो मेरे को बहुत ही shallow लगता है, to be honest. वो मतलब कॉलेज में भी वो बातें नहीं होनी चाहिए अभी. like I don't know उससे क्या ही achieve करते हो.
You know, funny thing is, I think I was very hopeful in the last 5 years before pre-COVID. I was very hopeful because I saw a lot of conversations heading in the way of, you know, men actually opening up, men actually being like, you know, more in tune with their feelings and everything. But now I see we've sort of regressed back again. थोड़ा सा हम ऐसे ही हो गए हैं where men are like, oh ठीक है यार, हम बंदे हम ऐसे ही करेंगे. And I've seen a lot of people
यार
like
मैं तो
younger people.
बोलूँ कि
हाँ.
अगर वो फुटबॉल गेम पे ही बॉन्ड कर लेते हैं, वहां पे जाके थोड़ी अपनी अंदर क्या महसूस करते हो उसके बारे में बात कर लो यार.
हाँ यार.
एक 15 मिनट का इंटरवल
हाँ
आता है
टिक
ना मैच में.
हाँ और मैच के बाद 5 मिनट बात कर
वैसे
लो
भी
यार.
मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड कौन सा ही जीत रहा है जो तुम्हें मजा आने वाला है.
यार Manchester United is not good for my mental health. I can tell you right now. That has made me age. ये सारे बाल जो उड़े हैं ना सब Manchester United के कारण उड़े हैं, not genetics or anything else or bad water. But yeah, shit man. Let's not talk about that. You are now ruining my mental health by talking about Manchester United.
So guys, I think we've been speaking for a good 20-25 minutes now.
A lot more than that, I guess.
Yeah, I think about 30-35 minutes, and Nishant and I have tried to throw some valuable insights into mental health for men. तो निशांत, अगर हमें ऑडियंस को कोई मैसेज देना हो, परहैप्स हमारी खुद की लाइफ से या खुद की एवोल्यूशन से, तो what is that one thing that you would like to give, and then maybe I can follow that up.
That's a very difficult one, but honestly, one thing.
अरे nothing is easy यार.
हाँ.
एक पॉडकास्ट करने में हमें इतनी डिफिकल्टी होती है.
It's simple but not easy. It's simple but not easy. But that's what I want to come to as well. Working towards your mental health is very simple, but it's not easy. Please make sure that you start admitting sometimes if you're having a problem, or admit that you need help. See where you're going wrong. Admit that you need help, and then actively seek help. There is no harm. उसमें कोई गिला शिकवा नहीं है कि यार आपको कहीं पे किसी की हेल्प चाहिए या कुछ भी चाहिए, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. प्लीज 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 सीक हेल्प, एंड प्लीज 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 इंश्योर दैट योर फ्रेंड्स आर आल्सो सीकिंग हेल्प. बिकॉज ये जो होता है ना कि यू नो मेन एस मेन वी डोंट टॉक अबाउट आवर फीलिंग्स एट ऑल. सो अगर आपको लगता है कि आपका फ्रेंड थोड़ा विड्रॉन हो गया या थोड़ा ये हो गया है. And also one more thing, sorry, I did not say this, but male suicides in India are much more than female suicides. I think there are 80% of suicide, all suicides are males. And please make sure that you are talking to your friends, checking up on them regularly. अगर आपने बात नहीं करी है किसी से, बहुत पुराने दोस्त से, तो आप बात करते रहो, टच में रहो. Keep having these, make a community for yourself, keep talking to each other, keep validating each other's existence, keep telling each other good things about each other, and just pulling each other up and living a great life, man. Keep meeting up, show physical affection, do whatever you can to make sure that everyone around you, including yourself, is doing fine. But that begins by admitting that there is something wrong. So please start with that, and then start your journey towards healing yourself.
You know, so Nishant talked about this whole thing of we need to start admitting that there's something wrong and we need help. So I'd coined this property on the channel called as Women of Will, जहाँ पे we used to honor women who are going beyond the ordinary to achieve great things, and we've interviewed a couple of those. I think for men, just to admit that they need help can actually call them MAO, Men of Will. वो पहला step ले लो, and that also the non-communist one, MAO. मेरे को बस इतना ही बोल रहे हैं कि Men of Will बनो और बाकी सब सही हो जाएगा.
I agree. So I think that brings us to the end of this.
Yeah, I think we've spoken and काफी insightful बातें की है. तो निशांत अब वापस वो मैसेज दो, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब.
हाँ, please guys, like, share and subscribe. We are doing this for our mental health, but for the productivity side of things, while we are doing other things as well. So please like, share and subscribe to the Rangman Show, and do it so that we can keep creating content like this. And I hope that you like this, because this was a very honest discussion between two friends who've, thankfully, I have a friend in Pranay who I can be absolutely open with. We've spoken about going to therapy. We've spoken about our feelings. We've spoken about our relationship with our respective women and everything in whichever forms. If things are not going right, we've not pulled the women down. We've actually admitted that how we can make things better. We've vented out to each other. So I think having that sort of a support system also makes a lot of difference in your life. And I hope, and we hope, that by conversations like this, we are able to spark more and more of these support systems and support groups, and ensure that, you know, we all live life in the best possible way. But coming back to it, please like, share and subscribe, because that will help ensure that we live our lives in the best possible way.
So guys, till we bring you another episode on the Rangman Show, this is Pranay Rangra and Nishant Chinkwani signing off. Cheers guys.